The Edo State House of Assembly has summoned the member representing Ego constituency, Honorable Natasha Osawaru Iyobosa, to appear before the Ethnics and Privileges Committee within 1 week to explain why she's dragging the House into a dispute with her recent actions and misconduct that have been trending. BTV News State House respondent Osaruge Agwebo reports that the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, issued the directive during Tuesday's plenary, frowning that the lawmaker has been trending negatively in the media.
Honorable Natasha should appear before the Ethics Committee, the Ethics and Privileges Committee. So let us know why she is dragging this House into a mud.
The Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, said the recent actions and misconduct of the member representing Ego constituency at the Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Natasha Osawaru, has been treading negatively on the media and dragging the House into disrepute. He stated that while the members are known to be responsible, they will not allow any member to tarnish its reputation. The Speaker summoned Honorable Natasha Osawaru to appear before the House Committee on Ethics and Privilege within 1 week to explain why she is dragging the House into the mud and to show recourse why disciplinary action should not be taken against her.
This precious House with cerebral members and highly educated members have been dragged in the mud for too long by our colleague Honorable Natasha Irobosa. For the past 1 week, she has been, let me use the word, treading negatively on social media and the televisions, both CBC, Silverhead, and other national officials. We want to let the public know that this House is a decent and reputable House. In Nigeria as a whole, this House is the best House. That's the truth. And we have responsible members in this House, intelligent members in this House. Members that know what they are doing. So the attitude or the misconduct of the member cannot drag the House to disrepute. We frown against it and we will not take it. On that note, Honorable Natasha Irobosa should appear before the Ethics Committee, Ethics and Privileges Committee. So let us know why she is dragging this House into a mud. And the committee should report back to this House within 2 weeks.
In another development, the Speaker, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, informed the House that the State Director and officials of the Federal Roads Maintenance Agency, FEMA, who were summoned to appear before them, sent a letter stating that they will not be chanced to appear and requested that the House set a new date in middle of January for their appearance.
The Federal Roads Maintenance Agency body that was supposed to appear for us this morning by 11 a.m. I just want to inform the House that we received a letter from them. In that letter, that the agency will not be chanced to see us. That usually dates in the middle of January. I don't understand. I should give a date in the middle of January. Anyway, I just want to ask you that as a House represents our constituencies, as our communities, we must instruct those who are in charge to give give good living, to make our comfortable, to remind them of their duties if they are not keep up with their duties.
Also, a bill for a law to amend the Edo State Lottery, establishment of the Edo State Lottery Regulatory Commission and the Edo State Lottery Trust Fund and other matters connected therewith, and a bill for a law to establish the Edo State Emergency Management Agency and to provide for other purposes therewith, both came through their first reading.
A bill for a law to establish the Edo State Emergency Management Agency and to provide for other purposes therewith. First reading. This is a very challenging. I have to make sure it sees like this bill for second reading.
From the Edo State House of Assembly, Osarogi Agwebo, reporting for BTV News.